In this video, we're going to talk about a really neat tool that needs to be a part of your online marketing strategy. It's called Foursquare, and in their words, they help people keep up with friends, discover what's nearby, save money, and unlock rewards. The way that it works is pretty simple. Let's say I head to a local deli for lunch. While I'm there, I pull out my phone, tap on the Foursquare app, and check in. This lets my friends know where I'm at. Plus, it lets me write comments on the location. Maybe I type, "I love this deli. Make sure and try the chicken salad." Now, let me pause right here because I can almost hear some of you saying, why in the world would anybody check in to a digital replica of the physical store that they're sitting in? Well, although that question brings up an interesting sociological discussion, the fact is, people are doing it, and a lot of people are doing it. As a matter of fact, at last count, Foursquare had over 15 million users. Social marketing isn't just a fad or a flash in the pan. It's here to stay for the foreseeable future. So as business owners, instead of asking, why are people doing this? We should be asking, how can I use this to benefit my business? And that brings us back to Foursquare. Let's go to foursquare.com/business. Foursquare lets business owners add their location, which lets customers check in. The more customers check in, the more popular your location becomes, which brings even more customers. In addition to that, Foursquare lets you offer coupons to customers who check into your location. For example, let's say I'm walking down the street, bored and hungry. I look at my Foursquare app and see that my buddy's checked into a bookstore just a few blocks away. I shoot him a message asking if he wants to grab something to eat. He says, "Sure, what's around here?" Well, I check back on Foursquare and look for some restaurants that are close to me. I see one of them, yours, is offering a 10% coupon for checking in. I see that somebody else just left a comment. It says, "I love this deli. Make sure and try the chicken salad." My buddy and I head over there, grab a bite to eat, check in, and the social marketing cycle gets bigger with your deli involved. Well, I hope that this has piqued your interest in services like Foursquare. It can be very powerful, and we just don't have time to go over everything in these short videos. If you want to get more involved in Foursquare, make sure and talk to somebody who does this for a living. They can save you a lot of time and show you some tips on how to get the most out of your listing. Thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the web.